For Apple Tree, we'll be using 3 chords. We'll be using the D chord, the G chord, and the A7 chord. So to start off the song, we're starting in D. So it's the 2nd fret of the first 3 strings here. So it'll be apple tree, will the... On apples, you change to the G chord. So it's the 2nd fret, the 3rd fret, and the 2nd fret. Will the apples... And then we go back to the D chord. Fall on me, I don't mind, I won't shout. If the... Back to the G chord. Apples. And then I keep my first finger right here on the string, and I just slide it up to the 1st fret, and every other finger's off. Knock me, and then it goes back to the D chord. Out. So all together it would be apple tree, will the apples fall on me? I don't mind, I won't shout, if the apples knock me out. While I'm accompanying the kids, the strumming pattern that I'll typically use is, it'll go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So it'll go. So all together it would be apple tree, will the apples fall on me? I don't mind, I won't shout, if the apples knock me out. Thanks for checking out the Apple Tree ukulele tutorial. If you want any accompaniments, check for some of these videos here for accompaniment with singing and with guitar and with ukulele. If you want to learn how to play it on guitar, check out some of these videos somewhere over here. And be sure to subscribe somewhere around here. Thanks. Bye-bye.